This video is on how to cook conch the Haitian way. We call it lambi. Those are frozen. So what we need to do is wash them under water and take out the ice. After taking out the ice, we need to slice this open down this line here. We slice them open. We cut it open right there. Then after you slice them, this is how it looks like. So you slice it open and you wash it under water. You wash it well under water about 3 to 4 times. Then after that, you squeeze lemon juice on it and you wash it with lemon, and in between those lines, making sure that all the lemon juice is in there, and you let it soak for about 5 minutes or so. Then that would conclude the first part of this video. Then on the second part, I will show you guys how to season it and make it taste very well. Thank you.